Imagine a house, but not just any house. Picture smooth, curving walls. It practically grows from the ground up. This is a 3D printed home, built layer by layer. Large printers create these homes using concrete or other special materials. This technology is changing how we think about housing. These houses are super energy efficient. They can be designed to maximize natural light and reduce energy waste. They are also very strong and durable, built to last a long time. This makes them a great option for sustainable living. 3D printed homes are popping up all over the world. From single-family homes to apartment buildings, the possibilities seem endless. They offer a unique combination of affordability, durability, and customization. It's exciting to see how this technology will continue to evolve. 3D printed homes are designed with energy efficiency in mind. The building process uses less material and produces less waste. This makes them better for the environment from the start. These homes can incorporate solar panels directly into their design. This allows them to generate their own clean energy. They can even be built with special insulation to keep the temperature just right. Smart systems can monitor energy usage and make adjustments automatically. Imagine your home knowing when to turn off lights or adjust the thermostat. This helps to conserve energy and save you money on your bills. 3D printed homes are often equipped with smart home technology. This means you can control many aspects of your home with a simple voice command or a tap on your phone. Lights, temperature, security, it's all at your fingertips. Imagine preheating your oven on your way home from work, or having your lights dim automatically as you settle in for a movie. Smart homes offer unparalleled convenience and control. Beyond comfort, home automation also enhances safety. Sensors can detect smoke or carbon monoxide, alerting you and emergency services immediately. Smart locks provide an extra layer of security, granting you peace of mind. Water conservation is another significant advantage of 3D printed homes. These homes can be designed to collect and reuse rainwater. This precious resource can then be used for irrigation or flushing toilets. Low-flow fixtures and appliances further reduce water consumption. These innovative features help conserve water without sacrificing comfort or convenience. By minimizing water usage, 3D printed homes promote sustainability and reduce your environmental footprint. They offer a responsible approach to living in harmony with our planet. Indoor air quality is crucial for our health and well-being. 3D printed homes often feature advanced ventilation systems. These systems circulate fresh air and filter out pollutants, ensuring a healthy living environment. They can also be built with materials that do not emit harmful toxins. This is especially important for people with allergies or sensitivities. Breathing clean air inside our homes is vital for our overall health. Some 3D printed homes even incorporate air purification systems. These systems remove allergens, dust, and other pollutants from the air, providing you with the cleanest air possible. 3D printed homes have the potential to revolutionize the way we live. They offer a glimpse into a future where sustainability and innovation go hand in hand. By embracing these technologies, we can create a brighter future. Imagine a world where everyone has access to affordable, sustainable, and comfortable housing. 3D printing brings us one step closer to that vision. These homes use less energy, produce less waste, and promote a healthier lifestyle. As we look to the future, 3D printed homes offer hope. They are a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to creating a better world. It's an exciting time to be exploring the possibilities of this cutting-edge technology.